Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic, world's first projector designed for Xbox. So friend, ViewSonic launches the world's first design for Xbox projectors, and friend, the new X1-4K and shot through X2-4K LED projector deliver buttery-smooth 4K UHD visual on a large screen that is 100-inch combined with the theater-level sound from Harman Kardon speakers, making gaming more immersive and exciting than even before. And friend, the X1-4K and X2-4K LED projector offered the best possible experience with Xbox games and are black and green, encoding the design of the Xbox series, and they also boast Xbox exclusive resolution and refresh rate combination plus the projector 4.2 millisecond ultra fast input and 240 Hz refresh rate, ensuring all can enjoy perfectly smooth gameplay. And beside the responsive gaming experience, the projector are designed with intuitive operation for instant fun, and they are compatible with Xbox CEC, which means that when the console is started, the projector is turned on seamlessly, and furthermore, when the console is connected via HDMI to the projector, automatically switch to gaming mode, providing the best visual with enhanced color. And friend, both offer an all-rounded audiovisual feast when combined with the 4K HDR resolution and Harman Kardon speakers. And friend, this projector provides 2900 lumens of enhanced brightness, ensuring crystal clear image in environment, and they promise years of low maintenance with the 30,000 hour long lifespan. In addition, as the world's first projector bound to deliver TÜV SÜD's low light blue light certification, and the two projectors are certified to alleviate concern of eye damage and discomfort caused by prolonged viewing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.